How to fix Snapchat password error on your Snapchat. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you have to open the settings of your phone, and then when it's opening, just will go to apps or application. As you see, now I can see all the application that I have in my phone. I will go just and search for Snapchat, then I will open it, and I will go to storage, then I will go to the last button here, clear data, then I will click OK, and I will go back and click force stop and click OK, and I will go back again to my home page on my phone and go to Play Store and update Snap. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.